The young boys are happy because of the rain, and now they are just fishing. These young boys, look, started to fish in this Amleye river. Looks awesome though. These guys are watching some young boys doing some fishing stuff out here. Whoa, wow. This is awesome, man.
Whoa! Mom, get it on me.
Wow. That tree is a living road bridge. I used to swim here when I was young, you know, whole day. We used to swim here. Previously it was not like this. It was still natural. There was no dam like this, but nowadays it has been dam. So, oh, wow, you can see. This is two village. That is Nongbareh Lyntiar, and this side is Nongbareh Rim. Full capacity. The water is black because of the manure from all of this forest.